Hi, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're an oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Kiana Michelle, and I'm checking in. I'm coming to you with the unboxing. This is for your nail lab in a box from Makartt. Y'all know, baby, every month your girl has to come through with the Makartt unboxing. So let's just get into it. For all the nail techs, beginner, or those who are seasoned, baby, who've been doing this for a minute, this is a great box for you. It is $35 a month. And I just think even if you try it out, you can always cancel whenever you want to. So that's a good thing about this box. But it gives you nail supplies, nail accessories, anything you could think about that has to do with nails. This box provides, and it's only $35. And you know, if you go out and buy these individually, that will be way more than $35. So let's just get into the unboxing. And I have the link down below if you're interested in getting you a box, girl. So when you first open the box, it says, "Hey babes." And then it has the card right here that just says your nail lab monthly nailed by Brandy. Okay. So it's like this, giving the winter vibes. And it has just saying hi to you all, gives a website. And then it says you can have a discount code of $15, nailed by Brandy. So if you want to screenshot that or even go on their site and use nail by Brandy, I'll put it on the screen. You can get 15% off at Makartt.com. So let's just get into the box. You know, it always comes with this tissue paper, and then it has the actual goodies in the box. So let's just get into the box. So the first thing I see that I'm pulling out are the nails. It's my favorite. I'm so happy but it's like I just bought 2 packs of these on Amazon, but I'm so happy because this is actually a different length. Let me shut up. This is the XXL full coverage ballerina shape. I'm excited because I ran out of these. So yeah, they look like this. And this is the shade right here. And these are really good quality nails. They have the firmness where the nails need to be firm, but they also have like just the flexibility that's needed in the nail, because you don't want the nail so stiff it pops off. But you don't want it to be so bendable that it bends, if that makes sense. But yes, these are so cool to have. This is like a little starter kit if you want to start making press-ons or even doing your own nails, because it comes with a filer. It comes with 4 Makartt glues that are fantastic. I actually put these in my nail kits when I sell nails. So yes, the glue is gluing. So this is so awesome. I'm so glad I got this. It even gives instructions on the back on how to apply the nails, how to prep your nails to put your press-ons on. So that is really good. I'm so happy I got that. The second thing I got is all-in-one. This is a Makartt Pro. It's an acrylic and dip powder. So even if you don't know how to lay acrylic, you know how to dip your finger in. Like, there you go. And so this is 2 ounces, and it's this really pretty purple color. Get into it. I'm so excited. I'm so happy with the box just because I got them little nails, baby. I'm trying to open it so y'all can see it. I'm just probably gonna take a picture of it, but isn't that so pretty? Do y'all see that purple? Do y'all see it? Oh, you see the glitter? Okay, baby. So that is so cool. When I do learn how to lay some acrylic, I'm gonna have all the stuff I need to do it. But it's such a big jar, and I'm happy to get that. The next thing I have, you can't never go wrong with no rhinestones. And I actually don't have any rhinestones like this. This is it's like multiple colors. It's giving purple greenish. Let's see if you can see it. Those are gorgeous. I have a lot of rhinestones, and I've just purchased some more, but this color, I don't have this color. I would have never thought to think to put this color in the search board to get it. Oh, it's so pretty. And plus when you put the light, when that light hit right, oh, okay. The next thing I have are some, what are these? Some snowflakes. Because winter not over yet. So these are cute. So these are like some little fake snowflakes. We have red, then we have this, which is a rose gold, silver, and a couple of different whites. We have a plain matte white, a shiny white, and an iridescent white. So that's what this is right here. Really cute for Valentine's Day coming up. Yes, all these can be used for Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day is usually cold, so it's giving the winter type of lovey-dovey vibe. So I'm really here for that. But that red is really shimmering. The next thing I have are some more nail like, I don't know if I want to say decal. I'm trying to get it open, y'all. So they look like this. And this is cute. It's cute. Here you go. Nice color. Nice color. It has a sparkle. It has a little glitter, if you can see. Yeah, that's really cute. That'll be cute if you're going for like a scale mermaid type of thing. This will be cute to use. And then the next thing I have is, oh, okay. I have a nail art like polish, and it's white. When I say the girls love a white tip, baby. So this is perfect because I don't know how to do a white tip, but I'm definitely going to practice now that I have this. But it's just like an art brush to do nail art, but it's white. And the polish is such good quality. Even on this, it's so thick. Like, y'all, stop sleeping on Makartt because they win out here. So yes, this is really cute. And then the next thing I have is this gel polish. It says Bubble Pop. Okay. It looks like two different colors. It looks like this. It's giving off like a pinkish, bluish type of thing with some glitter in it, but I never know with these polishes. Oh, okay. So this is how it actually looks. This is a really pretty color. I like the color. It's like, I look for colors that will be noticeable when I'm doing like my sets and stuff, and I would like this color, even if it's just a plain set. The last thing I have is a nail extension gel. They gotta give a nail extension gel, and I don't know, I guess I'm okay with that, even though I don't use them as of yet. When I do start using them, I will be stocked up, so I like that. This is in the Morning Glory, and it's 30 milliliters, so I'm just going to show y'all the color, but this is how it looks. It's like a blue color. So this is the container. And I'm just going to squirt some on my hand so y'all can really get that effect. Okay. It's so thick. I really like that, because I feel like a little will go a long way. So this is how it's looking. And I got a Band-Aid. I'm so sorry because I was doing nails yesterday. Whatever the case may be, I poked myself and it hurts really bad. So I put a Band-Aid on, but it looked kind of ratchet. So I'm sorry. I need to get that together. But disregard, this is how the nail extension gel looks. A really cute water, like ocean type of blue. Really cute. So those are all the things that I received. I don't know what other people got in their boxes. Sometimes I don't even look at other people's, but I like the stuff that I got in my box, especially this. I love the fact I got these, and I love the fact I got this white polish. I also love the fact that they gave me these rhinestones, and I've never seen these before. So I would say these are my 3 favorite products, and I'm definitely going to do a set. This year, your girl is going to be recording sets. Like, I'm going to be doing a lot of press-ons, and I'm going to try to record them. I didn't do that much or at all last year, so I'm definitely going to try to apply that in my channel. Like, pick a day where I do a new set of nails, because I'm constantly doing nails all week, and I just want you all to see how I do. I'm kind of gonna make it like a story time where I tell you a little story. I don't know if it's gonna be true or false, but tell you a little story while I'm doing nails. I just thought that would be, you know, cute. But that's all I have. I really hope you enjoyed my unboxing. If you're interested in receiving a box, again, I'll put the link down below. And even if you just want to try it out, if you love nails, you're obsessed with nails, anything have to do with nails, this is a really good box for you to get, and it's not breaking the bank. And we love to be getting our money's worth. You know what I'm saying? We don't want wasted coins over here these ways. But that's all I have. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44 and my business Instagram at Press Nails and Beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thumbs up, and tell your friend, and tell your friend who told your friend who forgot to tell your other friend. Like, for real. Tell them about Kiana Michelle. But until next time, all my Key Bees and Key Dogs, Kiana Michelle's checking out. Peace.